here's the latest addition to the birth control wall. The Star Wars Luke Skywalker 1/6 version Deluxe. It's the Return of the Jedi. And to be perfectly honest, I was a little excited to get this, so I kind of already opened it. So we'll just pretend like I didn't. Open it up. Got this cool little thing here. The lightsaber going. Put this over here. And hurry, open it up. Set this over here a little bit. Where do you get a load of this? This over here. And here it is. The Return of the Jedi Sideshow Collectible Luke Skywalker. There's a little variety of outfits that you can do. This is the base that it comes out of the box in. Get a good look at his face. Good sculpt, good hair. It's molded hair. Makes it a little easier. And accessories, of course, his lightsaber. Comes with a second head. Little helmet on it with the speeder. Put that there. And a couple of different hands. The Force hand. A couple others in here you can kind of see. There's 5 there. And there's a couple more in here. I like this one. With the damaged hand. You see in the back there. Where his father cut his hand off. Dirty dog. Couple of gloved hands. Gloved hand for holding a lightsaber. And a pew pew blaster. Cool. And then it has a second, or not a second, it has a put that on there with a utility belt. Put it around there. You can hang his lightsaber off it, I'm assuming. Second one. Not quite sure what configuration I'm gonna display him with, but here's the first of his capes. Go with the helmet. Put a little speeder. And then a second cape, which is I'm probably going to use this one. His Jedi cape. I was able to do it. I'm going to take a look and see what the different combinations look like. Probably get them incorrect when it comes to what it's like in the movie. I'm not an expert. You know something? I don't care. This is handy. It comes with the base, which is nice. I have a couple of figures that just keep falling over that I have to buy a base for. Take this and put it up here a little bit. Stick it in the old crachola. And there we go. You got Luke. And here's another version. It's kind of cool. But I don't think I'm going to use this one. Let's see what else we can do. And we can do this. Got this lightsaber hanging to the side. Oh, 1 second. I'm missing a piece of the lightsaber. This kind of comes off when you put the green thing. There we go. Now his lightsaber is complete. Ish. But you know something? I don't think I want to use this one either. Now let's try one more combination that I think we're going to be using. And this is what I think I'm going to go with. I like this look. Not exactly sure if he actually had this look anywhere in the movie, but once again, I don't really care. I just think it looks kind of cool. It's got the green lightsaber going. So all in all, I really like this action figure. Not at all. Very good head sculpt, very good quality material. And I'd just like to take a little bit closer look at this awesome head sculpt. I kind of like the molded hair a little bit better than, kind of frizzy hair. Kind of stays in shape a little bit better. But this one really looks like Luke, Mark Hamill. Try to keep it in focus here. Yeah, but look at that. Get a little bit better of an up and down view. The materials are excellent. Very well tailored. Like I said, there's a lot of different little accessories that you get that can give you a lot of different looks. Like this one. Kind of get a better look at the head sculpt of the helmeted version. Look around. It's kind of difficult, kind of moving it around and keep it in focus, but I'll try my best. Yeah, this is excellent. They sell a speeder, I think, that you can put this on. Kind of a better up and down look. I didn't have the belt on this shot, but you get the idea. And this stand makes an added bonus. I know some of you like to display the boxes with your action figure, and this one would look good on your shelf. Some of them look okay, some of them don't look quite as okay, but this on the front and back, excellent graphics. You're gonna like it. Mark Hamill's down on the kind of side there. But if you like this video, please like, please share, subscribe. And here I put Luke in here next to his dad, Mr. Darth Vader. There it is. Going to the Daddy and Me dance. If you're still here, thank you so much for sticking around. Hope you enjoyed it. I do have more unboxing videos on the way. And, of course, travel videos and some more pop culture videos. So please like, subscribe, comment. Goodbye.